All right, guys, we're going to make tamales. We're going to start with soaking our corn husks overnight. And while we've done that, we're going to put our meats in a crock pot to slowly cook for 6 hours. So I'm going to throw the meats in the crock pot, add the dry ingredients, and then throw my guajillo, my bay leaf, and my onions into a saucepan. And I'm going to cook that to make my sauce. Once my sauce has boiled for about 20 minutes, I'm going to throw it in a blender. I'm going to puree it, and then I'm going to throw it in my sieve or colander and separate the pulp. Once I get rid of the pulp, I'm going to throw that sauce into the crock pot on top of the meat and let it continue boiling for 6 hours. After 6 hours, you pull out your meats and you can see they look delicious. You will debone your ham hocks if you're using ham hocks. Cut up all of your meat into fine pieces, mix them all up, and that's going to be what you're going to use inside your masa. To make your masa, you can do what I did, which I used 3 cups of bouillon chicken and 3 cups of the meat juice. But you can also just use 6 cups of chicken bouillon if you want. And of course, you're going to gauge how much water you put into that too. You mix all your dry ingredients for the masa, then throw in your lard, then throw in your juice, preferably hot. And I blended all of this for about 10 or 15 minutes, and I got a beautiful consistency. You want a soft consistency, not sticky. Then you want to set up your prep on a table or on a counter so that you get a nice even flow. Work it through. Don't waste too much time. If you have a tortilla press, use a plastic liner so that your masa doesn't get stuck on your press. You roll a ball of masa, put it in your press it, pull it out, and put it on your corn husk and put some meat in it. Fold over one side, then fold over the other side, and then roll it up, or tuck and roll, Holmes, tuck and roll. Then you fold over the end that doesn't have meat or masa in it. You're going to repeat this till you run out of masa or meat or both. Then you're going to put these tamales into a steamer and steam them for about 50 minutes.